Hi guys, it's James from Advanced in Car. Today we've been working on a 2017 Audi A5. That's the F5, F for Foxtrot, number 5 chassis. It's the new chassis, new platform. We have fitted new genuine Audi folding wing mirrors with also these beautiful genuine Audi carbon inlaid fillers, or the top caps. So usual situation, I've got the key fob here. We're just going to press the button to lock, and the mirrors will fold with the key, and as soon as you unlock, of course, the mirrors will stay folded until you get into the car and turn on the ignition, and that's of course a safety and a comfort feature, which I'll do now. Okay, so as you can see, just turned the ignition on and the mirrors are folded out. You do have an option in the MIB menu to be able to fold on lock, so it's up to you whether you press the button and the mirrors will fold. Otherwise, it's down to the manual button. So the button that's in the door card here has been replaced, the new switch. So whilst we're driving, if you're below 10 miles an hour, you can actually fold the mirrors manually, like so, and then pop them back out. We do find with the new Audi A5 that these mirrors fold in really nicely, because on some of the VAG range they fold at a bit of a tilt and don't fold in as much. So we can go into the menu for the car here. We can go up to car settings, select a new menu and go into vehicle settings. Once we've gone into central locking, you've then got the ability to select whether your mirrors will fold when you lock using the key fob. So of course, why would you not want that? So we press the button like so, and we go back to our radio screen. So as soon as we turn off the ignition, we can then jump out the car, okay, so as soon as we press our button again, I'm going to press the button and your mirrors will fold. So 2017 Audi A5, the latest shape from Audi, with the genuine Audi folding wing mirrors with the genuine carbon inlay top caps. This is Advanced in Car Tech. Our website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.